Are you tired of freezing cold nights and unreliable heating? Here are the 5 best wood-burning stoves I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Jossa Kohler Heat-Powered Fan. Let's kick things off with the Jossa Kohler Heat-Powered Stove Fan, priced at $31.02. What caught my attention is its ability to distribute heat throughout your room without needing electricity. If you want to maximize the warmth from your wood stove effortlessly, this is worth a serious look. The silent operation under 25 dB means you can enjoy your cozy space without annoying whirring sounds. Plus, it's super lightweight at just 126 grams, making it easy to place anywhere you need it. The added bonus: it comes with a magnetic thermometer to monitor your stove's temperature, helping you avoid overheating areas while ensuring your entire room stays warm. Now, some people complained about the fan not being powerful enough for larger spaces. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a standard living room or bedroom, it should effectively circulate the air without issue. But if you have a huge open area, you might want to look for a larger solution. This is perfect for you if you have a medium-sized wood stove and want a simple, efficient way to spread warmth. Skip this one if you need something for an oversized space or if you demand a super high-powered fan. Now, if the Jossa Kohler's size seemed limiting, the next product on our list might actually be even better for your outdoor adventures. Product number 2, Taunto Portable Camping Stove. Next up is the Taunto Portable Camping Stove, priced at $129.29. This compact stove immediately caught my eye with its complete package that includes everything you need for outdoor cooking and heating. If you want a reliable stove for camping and outdoor gatherings, this is definitely worth a closer look. This stove is designed for quick setup. You can assemble it in just 2 minutes. It holds up to 7 pieces of 2.5-inch diameter firewood, burning continuously for about 1.5 hours. You can see the flames through the heat-resistant glass, adding a cozy ambience to your campsite. The anti-spill chimney pipe prevents smoke from backflowing, which can be a major hassle while cooking. Plus, with over 700 units sold just this month, people are clearly loving it. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit heavy at 17.83 pounds, which may be cumbersome for some. But here's the thing: if you're car camping or have a truck, that extra weight isn't that much of an issue for the reliable heat it provides. This is perfect for you if you love camping and need a stove that's easy to set up and provides great heating. Skip this one if you're hiking and need an ultra-lightweight option to carry. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, AVOFOREST Wood Burning Stove. The third product is the AVOFOREST Wood Burning Stove, priced at $151.27. What surprised me is its detachable chimney design, allowing you to customize the height based on your needs. If you want a portable stove that adapts to your environment, this is worth considering. This stove is made of sturdy cast iron, ensuring durability and good heat retention. The visual glass feature lets you monitor the fire without opening the door, preventing heat loss. It comes with 7 chimney sections, so you can adjust it to your tent or outdoor setup. Plus, it includes handy accessories like fire tongs and cleaning brushes, which shows they really thought about user experience. Given that over 600 of these have been sold, it's clearly popular among outdoor enthusiasts. However, some customers pointed out that assembly can be a bit tricky. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, setting it up is straightforward, and the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you enjoy camping and want a stove that is both functional and flexible. Skip this one if you're looking for something that requires no assembly at all. Now, if assembly concerns you, the next product takes a completely different approach to ease of use. Product number 4, Unho Portable Wood Stove. The fourth product is the Unho Portable Wood Stove, priced at $179.71. What really caught my attention was how well built it is, made from high-quality stainless steel that promises durability. If you're serious about outdoor activities and want a reliable heat source, check this one out. Its robust design allows for easy fire starting and efficient combustion, and the included 7 chimney pipes ensure proper ventilation. Many users appreciate how it turns camping trips into comfortable experiences, which is exactly what you want for outdoor fun. With over 500 sold this month, it's gaining traction among outdoor enthusiasts. The downside, at £22, it's on the heavier side. You get a lot of value in return for the heating power. This is perfect for you if you want a durable and effective heating solution for outdoor gatherings. Skip this one if you need something super lightweight for hiking. Alright, that was a solid choice. But if you want an ultra-compact solution, the next product may be just what you need. Product number 5, Wyrenz Portable Wood Stove. Last but not least is the Wyrenz Portable Wood Stove, priced at $168.07. What caught my attention is its high airtightness feature, preventing smoke leakage, which is essential for a safe camping experience. If you're looking for a reliable stove that focuses on efficiency and safety, this is worth your time. Its heavy-duty construction ensures it can withstand high temperatures without warping, giving you peace of mind while cooking. Many users are drawn to its compact design that doesn't compromise on heat output. Given that it's recently been gaining popularity, it's clear that campers appreciate its design. However, some users reported that the first burn can produce some black smoke, which is perfectly normal as the coating burns off. Here's the thing though, this happens with most high-temp stoves, and once that's done, you're left with a reliable heating solution. This is perfect for you if you want a compact stove that's effective and safe for outdoor cooking. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's ready to use immediately after unboxing. Now that we've gone through all these amazing options, let's wrap it up with a quick comparison. To wrap things up, we've seen the Jossa Kohler fan for efficient heat distribution, the Taunto camping stove for quick setup, the AVOFOREST for versatility, the Unho for durability, and the Wyrenz for safety and efficiency. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the AVOFOREST wood-burning stove because of its portability and fantastic features. But I would avoid the Unho if you need something lighter for hiking, as it can be a bit heavy. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.